Okay, I think I'm ready. I hope I'm ready. I'll probably get down there and realize I forgot something. I just called a cab to come and get me, take me to the bus station. Bax is gonna ride shotgun here in the front, I think, but for now he's in the back. Yeah, he's not happy. He's not a happy camper. All right, half an hour still for the bus. So I did good time. Considering it was such short notice. I thought the bus was leaving in the morning. I could have sworn it was leaving in the morning, but that's okay. It's cold. It's cold tonight. So I'm just gonna try and get on trail. I can't afford to just go in a hotel for the night. It's not practical. So I'm stoked. Can you tell? And this here is the trail. I tried to get off the trail a bit in case ATVers come down, but no bueno. So I'm gonna try to pitch up here on these rocks. It's gonna be really hard on my knees and oh man, okay. If I could find a spot that's a little wider so I can get off to the side a little. Okay, so it's about 2 in the morning and I got about 17 in and I just camped it right on the trail. An ATV came by just as I was getting here. Apparently they use this as well, so I gotta watch out. And I'm right beside a puddle. It's the only spot off to the side I could find. And it just occurred to me just now. They come ripping through here and they hit that puddle and splash, they'll cover me. It'll be nasty. So I hope they're considerate. And I hope, well, as soon as the light comes, I'm gonna try and get out of here, so. I think they call that ocean. What a view. Oh man. Awesome. Can't see it real well. At least I don't think you can on the camera, but there's a rainbow there. Good morning. And what a morning it's been already. I just realized something. It's 30 clicks to the next water source. Why wasn't I looking at that? I only got 2 liters on me. But, check this out. I see a bunch of buildings down there, about 2 clicks down. I think I should make sure I'm loaded up when I get there. Hello, Newfoundland. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I was corrected. I kept saying Newfoundland. Nope. One of the locals said, don't do that. It's disrespectful. Newfoundland. So, Newfoundland it is. And another ATV. We got a lot of ATVs on this trail, it seems. Or at least, this section of it. Newfoundland. I gotta keep saying it so it becomes habit. Tell you something I know about Newfoundland. They sure love their ATVs here. Holy moly. It's like the main source of transportation here, it seems. See a beach. Definitely a beach. And a town. Let me find out what town this is. Something going on here. All the birds are on one rock together, and then there's that one single white one all by himself. You suppose maybe he's the bully? Look at how blue that water is. Okay, well, I don't know what the town's called, but I can tell you one thing. There's a park here, and it's called Little Paradise Park. And if I'm not mistaken, that couple that were driving the bus last night said that they either own it or they run it. I'm not too sure. So they're out working right now, but they told me that literally I was going to walk right by their house. So guess what? It's a small world. Ooh, that would have been a nice camp spot. Nice and soft. I gotta tell you, I don't like the rocks. That was not fun at all. Now that would have been a nice camp spot right there, eh? Big time. Go, just go, just. Uh-oh. There we go. I would drink that. So this is that bus driver and his wife, Paradise Park, that they were telling me about. They own it. So they told me I'd be going right by it. So here I am. So guys, if you're watching this, just a big shout out. Thank you so much for helping me. You're the best. Got about another 1 or 1.2 to where I'm supposed to meet Carla for lunch. And okay. All right, let's relax. Where was I before I almost got attacked by those dogs? Yeah, so lunch at Heinz Chicken. And then I think I'm gonna go hit the campground there. Codroy, Grand Codroy or something. It's a nice day. It's a scorcher today. Remember what I said about it being cold? That changed in a hurry, back to normal. Today is 25, so what's that? 83, something like that. What is this? Gorgeous. All right, we got a new winner. We have a new winner. Wow. Awesome. Okay. I looked it up on Seek. These are called large-leaved lupine. Oh, that breeze feels so nice. So nice. This is the beginning of Codroy Valley. Okay, so I ran into Carla and Aaron, and we came out for lunch, and we had a nice chat, talking for hours. It's great. And I'm going to probably end up in the area, but I wanted you all to meet her.
Hello.
Okay, so had a nice lunch with Carla. She's gone back home, and I tried to see if I could camp there behind the restaurant, but they said no. So I'm gonna just go on, but it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna try and find a camp spot as quick as I can, because I'm cooked. That's 27 within a 24-hour span. That's a lot. Okay, so I came down 2 more clicks, and the lady who owns the store here, she said it's okay for me to just camp here. Pretty cool, eh? It's going to be very wet though, like in the morning, and it's going to rain, so I'm going to be soaked in the morning, but it's better than the campground. Another 2 clicks down, and I'm exhausted. I'm just exhausted. Okay, I'm getting off trail. I'll explain it to you in a little bit. Right now I just gotta get packed up before the rain. I'm having help. I need help getting packed up because I can't get on the ground